WGU Missouri is innovative, online, affordable higher education designed for adults. WGU Missouri uses an online competency-based learning model that allows adults to prove what they know and learn the rest, empowering them to accelerate to their degree, saving time and money. WGU created the competency-based education model that is now spreading across higher education. It's a new and innovative model that other universities are working to try to duplicate, but we're the only university that is completely and totally competency-based, empowering adults to get their degrees as fast as they can. WGU Missouri was created 3 years ago, and at that time we had 450 Missourians enrolled. Today we have 2,010 students and 919 alumni. WGU Missouri alumni have really fabulous results. We know that within 1 to 3 years, a WGU alum will be making $10,600 more on average than they made prior to their degree, which is a significant life change for their entire family. WGU Missouri is making an impact across the state, but specifically in the 7 counties around St. Louis, we've increased enrollment 380% since WGU Missouri started 3 years ago.
The St. Louis Regional Health Commission is the fiscal agent of the healthcare safety net here in St. Louis. So our main mission is to improve access to healthcare while decreasing health disparities. We do that through 2 different programs, one being our Gateway to Better Health program and then Alive and Well STL. Alive and Well STL is a community-wide initiative looking at the impact of toxic stress and trauma on our health and well-being as a community. We are partnering with several media partners here in St. Louis, really looking at creating the awareness around stress and trauma, which is then driving to our trainings that we really incorporate into the community, really looking at what it means to become trauma-informed. Really hoping that organizations take a look at what it does mean to become trauma-informed and really drive that into their mission and their work and the culture of their organizations to really better serve the patients, clients, etc., who they serve. Sometimes we just need, to talk to a friend or to lean on a pastor, but sometimes we do need to get more professional help, and we have those resources available and want individuals to know that it is okay to reach out and ask for help.
STL Youth Jazz is a cross-sector collaborative organization. We utilize all of our partnering organizations to provide meaningful summer employment opportunities to young people across the city of St. Louis. Over the past 3 years, we've had the opportunity to provide over 1,400 youth with employment opportunities throughout the region. We've also had the opportunity to work with over 100 employers across the region. Those employers range in scope and size and are from as small as community-based and nonprofit organizations up to corporations throughout the regions such as Monsanto and Emerson Electric Company. So I think really the legacy of this program is that the reason that we do exist is that there's a significant gap in providing meaningful opportunities to young people. And what I hope that our legacy is that we are able to shrink that gap and that we're able to change the landscape of youth employment so that we're making it easier for young people to find opportunities to grow, thrive, and continue to live and work in St. Louis on a longer-term basis.
The Ferguson Commission is a group of empowered citizens from throughout the St. Louis metropolitan region who are appointed by Governor Jay Nixon to study the issues exposed by the killing of Michael Brown on August 9th, 2014, and really the social impact of these issues to chart a path toward a stronger, fairer, and more inclusive region through policy recommendations.
I think the important thing for folks to understand about the Ferguson Commission is that it was a bold experiment in inclusive democracy. And in fact, the pattern of bringing folks to the table so that we really listen to each other and listen to understand is a pattern that should continue going forward because of the work of the Ferguson Commission.
So throughout our listening process, there were 16 commissioners who engaged throughout the process. By the time we completed our work and delivered the report, there were some 70 public meetings hosted all throughout the region.
From a process standpoint, since the commission did sunset on December 31st of 2015, a number of organizations have stepped up and actually began to step up during the time of the commission to say we're going to embrace particular calls to action and we're going to put them into our strategic plans. And importantly, we're going to apply a racial equity lens to our policies, to our programs, to things that we do. And that was one of the key recommendations of the Commission, that every organization, civic, governmental, not-for-profit, faith-based organization, apply a racial equity lens to what they're doing to determine, is this our opportunity to remedy inequities past, present, or future. And so I think the opportunity for those things to continue to occur going forward is what will make a difference in our region.
Winning this award provides validation that WGU Missouri is a rigorous, quality higher education institution that's making a difference in the lives of St. Louisans.
People are paying attention to the importance of youth employment as a region in St. Louis.
Receiving this award or being honored by Focus really is a way of affirming that leadership happens in all segments of our community.
Winning this award speaks volumes, not only to the work, but also to the work as a whole community together.